Welcome everyone. This video series will discuss Webb's depth of knowledge, also known as DOK. A foundational principle of education is that real learning has not occurred until a student shows that he or she can use or apply the knowledge. Level 2 of Webb's depth of knowledge is skill and concept. Level 2 focuses on applying skills and concepts in a familiar and typical situation. It also focuses on relationships, comparing and contrasting, as well as cause and effect. And finally, it focuses on main ideas. Level 2 activities require deeper knowledge than definition. They require that you explain how or why, and explain why you made your decision. You'll need to identify and summarize the major events in a narrative. Use context clues to identify the meaning of unfamiliar words. Solve routine multiple-step problems. Describe the cause and effect of a particular event. Identify patterns in events or behavior. Formulate a routine problem, given data and conditions. Organize, represent, and interpret data. Level 2 prompts will have your students estimating and interpreting in order to respond. You'll use prompts such as collect and display, graph, construct, show. Separate, classify, categorize, organize, distinguish, and use context clues. Estimate, compare, relate, and make observations. And finally, infer, identify patterns, predict, and interpret. You can expand on these prompts by using the Level 2 question stems. For instance, can you explain how blank affected blank? How would you apply what you learned to develop blank? How would you compare blank and contrast? How would you classify blank? How are blank alike, and how are they different? What can you say about blank? How would you summarize blank? What steps are needed to edit blank? What do you notice about blank? What would you use to classify blank? How could you organize blank? While Level 2 still has only one correct answer, one right answer, there are more than one way to come to this answer, and more than one way to explain this answer. Level 2 questions require students not only answer the question, but explain how or why. In closing, knowledge without application is a waste. Those who just know will always come second to those who do. Put what you know in motion. Apply what you've learned. Don't just let this video be something that you watch. Let it be something that you do. Good luck, and cheers.